Hey guys, what's up? Nick here once again. It's my full video unboxing and overview of the Base Station CHROMA by Razer. So let's get right into it. Alright, so if you guys didn't know, I did do an unboxing of the Corsair ST100 base stand earlier on the channel, but I ended up returning it for multiple reasons, mainly because I didn't get a Corsair headset in the end. I had to return it and I ended up getting a different headset, but I still wanted an RGB stand for my headset to, look nice on the table and everything. And because all my other peripherals on my desk are Razer, I figured I'd go with the Razer CHROMA because I've heard a lot of good things about it, and I just love the RGB effects, and then I can light it up with all my other Razer products. So on the front, obviously, they just have a picture of the device itself, the Razer logo on the side. On the back is where we get kind of the meat and potatoes of what's going on here, so it shows a picture of the headset itself, what it would look like on the stand. Compact, connect, ready for battle. And then down here, we have the Razer headphone stand to organize your desk. 3-port USB 3.0 hub, which I really like. The other stand by Corsair only had one USB port, which is kind of bogus, so I'm glad this one has 3. Powered by Razer CHROMA. Stay synchronized across all devices, which is the main reason, again, why I got this. So, without further ado, let's take this sticker off and open her out. Boom, there we go. Looks like it's going to slide out the sides, so let's open it up. Lift her up. And as always from Razer presentation, we have a really awesome look here. We have a nice foam pad on the side to keep it protected. We have a little box down here. That's probably for the cables, so we're going to lift that out along with the rest of the device here. I didn't expect it to actually be apart. That's kind of cool. So I'll put the base to the side. And it looks like we got the top part, or the stand part of it up here. Alright, so nothing else is in the box. We're going to put the box to the side. Now it is a lightweight plastic, so that is one of the things I'm not a fan of compared to the Corsair version. The Corsair was all aluminum, which did feel really nice and premium. This feels a little bit more on the cheap side. The base itself is also a hard plastic, a little bit better material though, and it is definitely weighted, so it's not going to fall over or anything, but I really wish they could have made it full metal. Let's remove the cable from the box here, just so we can get this box out of the way. And here is the base station itself, just going around the top. Let's take off this little protective layer. And you can see the Razer logo. And we'll obviously get this plugged in and show you what it looks like in the end. 3 USB ports in the front. I'm assuming USB 3.0. Nice rubberized base. And then we have the RGB strip all the way around it, except for the back. And then we have the cable. Let's get this installed real quick. Looks like it just plugs in to both sides. One side done. And that's it. Base is installed, ready to go, and that's it. So, let's get this guy powered up, put a headset on it, and see what she looks like. Alright, as you can see, we got the RGB stand set up and turned on. You can see the RGB strip around the side here. Going to the front, we also have the 3 USB ports right in the front here. We're using one of them for the wireless adapter for my SteelSeries headset. Again, it is an all plastic design, so nothing too fancy about the design itself. I do like the look of it though. I like the open back here, so you can feed cables through it to make it a little bit cleaner, as well as I do like that it goes all the way around for the RGB strip. It makes it look very, very fluent. And on top of that, it does connect to the rest of your Razer peripherals, as I see here. So all the colors can commingle and be together and be in a whole cohesive system. And it looks really, really unique and really, really pretty. So really, all this is, obviously, is just a cosmetic thing. It's something that's especially needed. It's something that you have to get if you do have a headset at your desk, but it is something that adds to your entire setup, and it just looks overall really good. And I really don't have any complaints other than just the price. It is $50, so it is a little bit on the pricier side, but because it's a plastic design, it does allow Razer to reduce the price compared to other competitors in the market, including the Corsair ST100, which I reviewed earlier, which does come at a higher price of $70. So knock off 20 bucks. Instead of an aluminum frame, you get a plastic. But I think it's better. Again, it's just a stand. It's not anything too extravagant or anything you necessarily need. But for 50 bucks, I think it's definitely well worth it. And it looks really nice on anybody's desk. So with that, thank you guys so much for watching my full video unboxing and overview of the RGB stand by Razer. If you have any questions about the device at all or anything I might have missed, please leave them in the comment section below and I'll get to them as soon as possible. Please leave a like to show your support as always. Subscribe so you don't miss the next one. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.